Interactive Teller, or ITM. Why use it? What do they do? And how is it different than a regular ATM? An ITM is a convenient way to pull up transactions on your account. You can cash checks, make a transfer, make deposits, or even make a payment on your loan. Everything you can do at the teller line from the convenience of your car, right here at the ITM, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Plus, anytime you need help or have a question, just press the help button. A member service rep will be right with you.
Hi, welcome to Team One.
And if you don't have an ATM or a debit card, no problem. Just press the help button to be connected to a member service rep to have your transaction conducted safely and securely. When doing a transaction without your card, you may be asked to let us scan your driver's license. Simply place your ID in the ID card scanner. It's as easy as that. The ITM technology is easy to understand and to use. Let me show you. You can choose to withdraw cash, deposit cash or checks, make a loan payment using cash or checks, transfer funds, request a balance inquiry, change your PIN, or select to receive a mini statement with either your last 5 or last 10 transactions. For cash withdrawals, choose Get Cash, choose the share, and enter the dollar amount. You can also customize your bills. To make your loan payment using cash or checks, simply choose the payment button, choose cash or check payment, choose the loan you'd like to make a payment on, and insert the cash. For share-to-share transfers, simply choose the transfer option, choose the share you'd like to transfer from, the share you'd like to transfer to, and the dollar amount of the transfer. A confirmation window will show, and then click Yes to confirm. As you can see, the ITM enables you to perform simple cash transactions or engage in deeper, more personalized banking activity. And all of these features are safe and secure to help stop fraud. We often talk about fraud and security to our membership. We like to provide an environment where you have complete control of your plastic cards. Within our online and mobile banking, navigate to card controls, where you have access to block, unblock, or even order a replacement card if you suspect fraud. We want you to feel confident that you have the security you can count on. After all, Team One Credit Union, here for the community, here for good.